Hi, I'm Renee and I'm a line chef at Crave Restaurant, and this is Simply Local. Simply Local is about taking our favorite Trinbagonian dishes and turning them into something fantastic. Here I take simple ingredients and prepare them by giving them a local twist. We're going to be making plantains two ways. The first type, we're actually going to give it a twist from Colombia. It's a popular dish in Colombia and it's stuffed with beef. But today, because I have a lot of vegetarian followers, I'm going to start with black beans for you. And the second type is actually frying it. And we're going to fry it in cinnamon sugar. Now, this is my favorite type to prepare plantains because when I was younger, my Auntie Jenny, she would make this for me every time I visited her. And I love it. Up to this day, I still make it. So I'm going to share these two recipes with you guys, so stay tuned. So we're going to start with the first type of plantain, right? So it's the stuffed plantain. So we're just going to cut off the edges and get the plantain open. So you just make a slit down the center and you just peel the plantain. So we have our two plantains here and we're going to just cut a slit lengthways throughout. So just take your time and straight down the center we're going to cut lengthways. So after we made the slit, you're actually going to take a spoon and press it in. What we're doing here, we're actually making some space so that the stuffing can actually go into. Right, so just take this spoon and you're not pressing all the way down, you're just leaving about 1/4 inch to the base left over. So I'm just pouring a little olive oil over it. I'm using olive oil, but you feel free to use some butter, right? I just like olive oil because I think it's a healthy alternative, right? So into the oven it goes for 30 minutes until nice and tender. So while it's in the oven, guys, we're going to be cutting all the vegetables for the stuffing. Okay, so now let's make the black bean stuffing. So I have a pan on medium heat and I'm going to take the cuisine oil and just put about 2 tablespoons of oil. So first I'm going to add the onions and I'm going to add the garlic as well. And we're going to saute this for about 2 minutes. So it's been 2 minutes and we're going to add our sweet peppers and tomato. Now I added red and green sweet peppers just because of the color difference. I think it helps with the presentation of the dish. I have a mixture here of celery and shadow benny. I'm just going to add some of that. So as you've seen, I actually washed and strained the black beans, right? And I took out all the brine out of it. So we're going to add it to it now. You see, guys, the colors is what I'm talking about. You're going to see that rich red, green coming out. And the black beans just give it this vibrant feel. Lastly, we can't forget the salt and black pepper. So I'm just gonna add some. And that's it. It's that simple, guys. Okay guys, so the plantains came out of the oven and I must say they look amazing. They've spread out really nicely. So the next step is really easy, guys. All we're gonna do is just stuff it. So we have our nice stuffing here, our black bean stuffing. So we're gonna take it and put it into the plantain. Right, so we're just going to put the cheese on top, right? Mozzarella cheese is going to give you this nice stringy texture, and that's what we want. So our next type of plantain, we're going to be making cinnamon sugar plantain. So we're just going to take the cuisine's brown sugar, and we're going to put it into the bowl, and we're going to mix it with cinnamon. So we're going to cut our plantain. Why I really love this dish because it's so simple, guys, but it tastes amazing. So you're going to have our plantains here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it on the bias, just about a 35-degree angle, right? And you're going to be making some slices here. So I'm just going to put the cinnamon sugar onto a plate so that it's easier for us to coat it. Like I said again, guys, it's very simple. All I'm just going to do is take the plantain and coat it in the cinnamon sugar. So next we're going to fry the plantains, right? So we're just going to put it into the oil and that's it. It's that simple, guys. So try not to crowd the pan because we want everything to cook evenly. So you're just going to give it about 2-3 minutes to actually get it golden brown and then it's ready. Okay guys, so we're finished with the plantains and they look amazing. It took about 5 more minutes again and you can see the cheese is melted and let's give it a try. I think you guys are going to love this one. The plantain is so nice and tender and the beans, the filling really gives it a unique flavor. And we can't forget about the cheese. The cheese is amazing. It's melted perfectly and everything just comes together as one, you know. I really love this dish, guys. It's really good. And now let's try the cinnamon sugar plantain. Oh my god. I wish you guys could try this. The sugar has caramelized so well that it has this crunchy exterior and the plantain is so sweet and the added sugar is just amazing. This is really good, guys. As always, the full recipe is on eatahfoodtt.com or you can follow us on Instagram or Facebook. And for those of you guys who are on YouTube, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye!